Hellcat Guru here with another video. Today's video is about how did I make $15,000 on a SCATPACK SWAP 300. Well, this story here is crazy. I bought the 300 clean title down in Orlando for about around $5,500. Okay. I also found a Shell 2019 SCATPACK in Clearwater, Florida. So I basically stripped the two cars down, put all the SCATPACK stuff in this car. Let me remind you that the SCATPACK was crushed. It was pretty much done. So I basically took everything out and put it in here. This car here had a total of about 8,000 or 9,000 in it because I was able to sell a lot of the old parts out of this car in the donor car that I didn't use. So it brought it down to about $8,000 or $9,000. So I was actually able to sell the vehicle within a month, 60 days, 2 months, for a $15,000 profit. I sold it for $25,000. So yeah, it's more money swapping for me the SCATPACK because you're able to get them cheaper. Also, it's easier to put them in 300s because everything is just bolt and play. So I made more on this swap than my Hellcat swaps. Like I made 8 to 10 on the Hellcat swaps, but this particular car brought back 15,000 profit. So there's more profit in this bill than it is on the Hellcat bill. So I always put this as my #1 bill because it made the most. This car featured the 4-piston Brembos, the honeycomb SRT wheels. It had the 3-stage pearl white stock paint job, 315/3520 tires in the rear, custom diffuser and wing. The outside was debadged, straight piped, muffler delete. It was a pretty good performing luxury car, I guess you can say. This car also featured all the SCATPACK internals, the 180 speedometer, the Uconnect SRT pages, red push button, paddle shifter, SCATPACK brakes and gas pedal. I added the Viper hood as well as the SRT front bumper. So it had